REL Central is pleased to announce the release of an Educator's Guide to Questionnaire Development. This guide is a brief tool that educators can use to help create research-based questionnaires that will allow them to gather relevant and accurate data for decisions they must make in their respective roles. In education, there is a focus on using data to make decisions. Often, an educator can find an established questionnaire, administer it, and then use that data to make a decision. However, what if a questionnaire isn't available to use? For example, an educator may want specific information on how his or her staff perceives a specific reading program in their school. There likely isn't a questionnaire that will gather the information needed in this context. In such a situation, the educator will need to create a questionnaire to gather the data needed. To assist educators with writing questionnaires that will gather essential, objective, and relevant data that they need, REL Central created this easy-to-use guide. The guide outlines 5 steps that can be used to create a questionnaire. The 5 steps provide a clear structure for creating questionnaires, and the guide includes information on how to identify a clear goal of the questionnaire and the pros and cons of various question formats. The guide also includes research-based guidelines educators can follow to ensure their questions are written objectively, free of bias, and in a concise manner. We want to thank the Wyoming Office of Public Instruction and the Nebraska Department of Education. This tool was developed in part through working on 2 separate projects with these organizations. The guide is available on the IES website listed here.